this is Kelly from Root Pursuit, and today I just wanted to help a friend, and this is Lisa, her Etsy shop. The Etsy shop name is CRSpices, and she has these really cute alcohol ink die cuts that you can purchase. So they're not digitals, they're actual. I think actually she does make the alcohol inks, puts them in digitals, and then die cuts out of her digital. So that's how I believe that she does it. But anyway, she's got all of these really cool die cuts that I wanted to show you and give a shout out to her and let you know that these are super cool. So for instance, these right here, aren't they lovely? And there's so many pictures, there's different varieties, so you can just kind of go to town. This is the image close up, and yeah, I think we're pretty good with this. It looks like a deep green to me with a little mossy in there. So, and then all of these varieties, aren't those beautiful? I mean, they just have so much more depth than just using the plain cardstock. So I just love these. And then you get like a little package of them, and then those are her digitals, her alcohol inks original art pieces that she turned into digitals and then prints them out, and then cuts out these die cuts from those prints. So they're quite beautiful. Look at these. Oh my goodness, with like the fall foliage and everything. So they're absolutely beautiful. So there, I went through all those. That is probably my favorite, so I'm glad I showed you that first. I don't know if we can do, oh, here we go. She does have a journaling starter kit. There's a hunting bundle. So if you have one that has to do with hunting, there's a bride and groom set. These are kids' birthday animals. How cute. Let's see, turtles and frogs. Oh, I'm a big fan of turtles and frogs, so we're gonna go look at those. So yes, all right. Oh, those are cute. I'm just gonna pop those open big style so we can take a look at them. Oh my goodness. And then you can add like the little over the top of them, the shell. How cute. Oh my, the frogs. Again, there's the original digitals. Here's some, I hope there's no, I don't think there's a glare. I'm getting a glare. So they all look really original. That is super, those are super cute. Okay, I really like those. I'm just gonna close out of that. What else do we have? We have hearts, flower vases, baskets, pots, and pitchers. Oh, those are wonderful, because then you can, you know, do the pots and pitchers. And it was so, well, anyway. So, oh, those are really, really pretty. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you can see how beautiful those are. Wow. Those are amazing. And then those kind of have like a, they almost look like terracotta pots. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, I love these. Oh, I know I haven't totally gone through everything. So there's dragons, if anybody's into dragons, balloons, you can do birthday cards. There's even a steampunk one with gears. Oh, those are cool looking. I did see the gears before. There's just one image of it, but yes, lovely. I'm just going to close that one out. There's flowers, and there's a leaves, large fern leaf. There's lighthouses, climbers. Oh, neat. The unicorn scenes. I did see these unicorns and in person, and they are pretty amazing. Look at that. Here's a bigger image of the blue unicorn. And like these look like rainbow unicorns. Oh, those are pretty. Those are really, really cool looking. Of course, I'm a big fan of the butterflies. I could spend all day doing this. This is like shopping. It is shopping. So cute. And I do hope that you help Lisa out, like her shop, and support her. I always like it when we are able to support small, locally owned. I don't know if you call it local. It's not local to you, but she's local to me. But you know, small business. That's what I was trying to say. So you just support small business. I just think this is such a great idea. Oh, the sea creatures. So these are all in like purples and blues. Bare trees die cut. Oh, cute. And then it's got little apples on it. Love it. Fairy scene. All right, so these are very, very cool. I hope you can support Lisa and her wonderful shop. These are so cute and different. They're pre-made and ready to use in your journal. So I hope you are able to support Lisa. And as always, thanks for coming along, and I'll talk to you later.